Now, another show of solidarity, the Indian diaspora around the world has held the protest. Indian diaspora unites against Pakistan sponsored terrorism, in which of the parts of UK and pays tribute to 26 victims of the Pahalgam terror attack in Kashmir. Indian community in Stuttgart in Germany has held a peaceful protest and solidarity march for the victims of Pahalgam terror attack. Indian diaspora vigil for the victims of Pakistan-sponsored Pahalgam terror attack in Kashmir, now also held in Liverpool in UK. Mehndi Garg is joining me live on the broadcast. Mehndi, protest against the Pakistan-sponsored terrorist activities and show of strength and solidarity by the Indian diaspora across the parts of the world, whether it's in fact, as we have spoken, in Milan or it's in Germany. The Indian diaspora is coming out, uniting against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. What are the demands that they are calling for, and how exactly the Indian embassies are also supporting them there?
Well, indeed, Simran, protests are being done all over the, we can say, world in solidarity of those people who have lost their lives in Pahalgam terror attack. And also visuals are very clear where the Indian diaspora in Germany holds peaceful solidarity march for the victims of Pahalgam terror attack. And also the Indian diaspora in Stuttgart under the banner of Bharatiya Parivar BW. You can see in the visuals as well, organized a peaceful solidarity march to pay tribute to all those innocent lives who lost their lives in the terror attack in Pahalgam. And not only this, Simran, but also around 300 members of the Indian community joined these peaceful protests. And before the march commenced, also participants and all those protesters who were in that, you can say that solidarity march, they applied tilak on their foreheads, not as a ceremonial welcome, but as a solemn mark of inner tribute and cultural unity. And also, Simran, the program included brief speeches in which, the people from the Indian diaspora also showed their solidarity and paid tribute to all those people who have lost their lives. And also they sang Hum Honge Kamyab and the Indian national anthem in unison in this solidarity march. And, the agitation, the anger is very clear all around the world, in the people of the Indian diaspora, and they're asking for the justice, and they're asking that those 26 lives should get justice because what happened in Pahalgam was very horrifying, and that terror attack should be condemned. And all the people from different places from different countries are coming outside in solidarity, showing their support to India in terms of their solidarity marches, and also protesting on different areas. Yes, Imran.